Fix Snapchat screen freeze problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, simply launch the settings application on your device, and as you do that, tap on the About Phone section and check for any updates available for your device. As you check for the updates, go back and check for storage available on your device, and if you do not have enough storage, you can just clear the space out. As you do that, you can just go back and then make a long press on Snapchat application, then tap on App Info. As you tap on App Info, it will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen, so tap on it. Then clear the cache and tap on OK. Now as you tap on it, you can now just tap on the app permissions and make sure you have toggled on all the required options. Now as you do that, you can just go back and make a long press on power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device, and this might help you fix the Snapchat screen freeze problem. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.